All payment information is available in the Statistics section under the Payments tab. Select the period you want to review: today, yesterday, last week, last month, or quarter. You can also specify exact start and end dates. Above the chart, you'll see a summary for the selected period that includes the total number of payments, highlighting successful and failed transactions, as well as the total amount received. The chart displays cumulative payment inflows for courses, distributed by days within the selected period. You can choose to show either the number of transactions or the total amount received and filter results to display only payments from a specific academy or course. In the Students' Payments section, you can view a list that includes student names, courses, payment amounts, statuses, and the date of the last update. The system uses 3 payment statuses: not paid when the transaction failed, pending when the payment is awaiting confirmation, and paid when the transaction has been successfully completed. You can sort entries by amount or date and filter them by parameters such as student name, payment status, promo code, currency, payment amount, and the name of the course or academy.